Hello, beautiful people. So, today I wanted to teach you about some knowledge I learned called from the Postural Restoration Institute, short for PRI. So, I will teach you a quick and simple tip I learned from the teachings there, and this has to do with the shoes you walk in. So, if you want to get the health benefits of PRI, you should consider getting shoes from the PRI recommendation list for whatever shoes you use to walk in the most. So I will put a link in the bio and also leave the Instagram of the mentor whom I learned all of this information for the first time. So you can go deeper with the teachings she has. So briefly, just the requirements for the shoes to be PRI approved are, and then we pull out my shoes. These are my work shoes, so obviously these are the ones I use the most because I work in them every single week. So they have to have a heel counter. So as you can see, this one doesn't fall, so it's very good support. This mimics uneven surfaces of the ground we walk in if we were walking barefoot. So yes, that's the way to test them. You just fold it, and if it doesn't fall over, it's a good fit. They also need to have an arch support, so you'll see this on the inside. And this is because the brain needs to feel that the feet are being supported so it can sense there is something in the ground. And lastly, you have to make sure they do not fall in half. So as you can see, this one's just full in the front, which is the natural way our feet are supposed to fall, just in the heels. So yeah, these are from Skechers, but there's shoes from different brands, and you can find them in the list I'm gonna post below. So yeah, that's all for today, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content in the future.